Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Boys, it's cold tonight. It was -11 when I looked at the thermometer before I came out. And we're going to do a little night driving on the ATV. I got the crash bucket on here. I got my face warmer in case it gets really cold. And in the background there, got the Can-Am warming up. We're ready to head her out on the road. So let's go do a little bit of nighttime driving. See how pretty the trees look with snow on them and the headlights from the bike flashing on the road. Let's go. Interesting development. I lost my trailer. Let's go look for it. It's sticker time again at Grampie's workshop. Boys, it's been a long time since I had sticker time, but this is my first sticker time of 2024, so I can only hope for more stickers because I got lots of room left on my wall. But look at all these great stickers I have here on my wall. Hey, look at everything from John at A Ritter Bit Will Do to Kenny at Open Air Adventures and everything in between. Great channels. I'd like to mention them all, but it would just take too darn long. So I got a letter before Christmas from a lady, Sandra Dunneback. I hope I say that right, Sandra. And she works at the University of Michigan in the forestry department. And she was telling me that her dad and her mom, I guess, too, watch Grampie's workshop and they just love it. So her dad's name is Jerry Fantini and her mom's name is Dottie. So Jerry and Dottie Fantini, thanks very much for watching my channel. Holy smokes, boys, that's some honor for me to have you folks all the way from Michigan watching poor little old Grampie's workshop here in the middle of Nova Scotia. But anyway, Sandra sent me a note asking if I could send her some stickers because she wanted to give her dad some Grampie's Workshop stickers for Christmas. Who would have thought that a Grampie's Workshop sticker would have been the ideal Christmas present? But I'm glad it was. I hope, Jerry, you like my stickers, buddy, because you know, that makes me just so happy that you were putting my stickers up on your wall. Anyway, Sandra, she wrote back to me. She said she doesn't have a YouTube channel, nor does her dad, and but she does have some stickers from the University of Michigan. So I'm going to put her stickers up on my sticker wall. Why not, right? They're deserving of that. So thanks very much, Sandra. Oh, she works in the forestry department at the University of Michigan. Did I say that already? She's Department of Forestry, business manager of the Department of Forestry. So hey, she's important. She knows what trees you can pee on, which ones you can't. But anyhow, I'm going to put her stickers up. She sent me a couple of nice stickers. Here's one of them from the University of Michigan. Make sure I get that right side up. From the University of Michigan, Forestry Department, some handsome. And then this one is MSU Forestry Department. So we're going to start with the little fella. I got an opening right here beside Tractor Talk with Gary. So I'll stick them right in there. Michigan State University Forestry. Isn't that nice? And then this fancy one here for Celebrate Arbor Day. And I think we're going to start over here with this one. Put them right beside, right there beside Scotty Daniel. Right above Kenny and close to Ross on the land. How about that, eh? Some nice. Thanks a lot, Sandra, for sending me those stickers. And that was kind of neat. It's a nice gift for me, too, being asked to send Grampie's Workshop stickers out for Christmas gifts. So thanks a lot. And hello, Jerry and Dottie. I hope you tune in again soon. Take care. It fell off when I first turned out here, and I drove all the way back to the camp looking for it. The hitch is froze on it, so it's not hooked on too good. I think I got it locked on good now, but we'll see. Hooked on after making that turn, so now I'm going to get the garbage can put in there, see if we can get back home with the trailer and the garbage can. Isn't this exciting? Well, there you go. I thought this was going to be an uneventful, trip out, get the garbage can, be a good chance to take a video of a night drive on the ATV, but look what happened. I lost my trailer. Holy smokes. The worst thing is, the trailer was right behind me. If I had just turned around, I'd have seen it, but no, I had to come all the way back to the camp. But anyway, I got an extra ride on the bike. And we found the trailer, no damage done, hooked her on, hauled the garbage can home. Here we are, back at the camp on a beautiful night. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this uneventful little run on an ATV at nighttime. Take care, folks. We'll talk to you soon.